friends, these are my new Mercedes GT series toy cars. High quality material used and strong pullback. The car is made of zinc alloy with plastic parts, rubber tires, detailed interior and exterior decoration. We can open all doors of these cars. We can switch on headlights and backlights. These Mercedes GT series cars are very suitable for children to play with. The paint is very good quality and it is heavy to hold. It is also very suitable for car lovers as a decoration. I hope you like my cars. Kindly subscribe my channel Issue Activities. Bye.